So check out this plane, everyone. I'm going to throw it very hard. Wow. It's flies so far. So we got to pick it up. It's a very long distance plane. There's a cool looking jet ship. One more time. Wow. Wow. Check it out, everyone. Wow. Let's check it out. It's a very cool paper airplane. Hello everyone, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a new paper airplane. This is a new jet fighter. I hope that you guys will enjoy making this plane. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel. To make the paper airplane, you need a piece of US letter size paper. If you do not have US letter size paper, use A4 paper. It should work as well. First step, let's flatten the paper down. Start from this edge, forward to the other edge. Make sure that all edges are lined up. Then you can press the paper down. Adjust the paper. Press it down. Unfold the paper. Flatten it again. Flip it over. Fold it in half one more time. Now, unfold the paper again. Flatten it down one more time. Start from this upper edge. Fold this to the other side. Fold it to this side first. And press the paper down. Then unfold the paper, flatten it down. Start from this upper edge, fold it to this side. And start from this upper edge again, fold it to the other side. Press down the paper. Now unfold the paper. Let's fold it one more time. Flatten the paper down. Flip it over. Now start from this upper edge. Use this intersection as a reference. Fold the whole part down. Make sure that this line aligns with the below line. And now you can press the paper down. Crease one side and crease the other side. Now unfold the paper, flatten it down. Flip the paper over and start from this side. You can see this here, this edge, fold it to the center crease. Fold this part to the other side and this edge to the center crease. And then fold the whole part up here down. Flatten it down. If it's not even, just adjust it. Go for this side first. Press this down and adjust the other side. The other side and this side. Alright, so we finished this part of the paper. Fold this upper layer to the other side and flatten the paper down. Adjust it. Now start from this upper edge, fold to the center crease. Fold this layer to the other side. Flatten this layer down and fold this layer to the other side. adjust the paper. I can flatten it out too. Now let's start from this edge to the center crease. It's not even, adjust it. Okay. Alright, so you finish one side, repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Now start from this layer. Estimate about 1.5 inches to this point. Fold this part of the paper out straight to this corner. So straight to the corner, okay? Press this down. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. One of the easiest way is to fold the paper in half like this and flip it over. Start from this side. You can adjust it so that's even. You fold out a little bit more. Make sure that all edges are lined up. And I can start from this edge, fold this to match to the other edge of the below layer. Fold straight to this corner as well. Now both sides of the paper are even and it's look good. Now hold the paper and crease this down. Alright, so I finished this side. Now we'll start from this up edge. We'll fold straight down here. Estimate about 1/2 inch along this edge. And start from this corner, fold straight down here. Adjust the paper. Fold down a little bit. And now I can press the paper down. Once I finish this side, I repeat the same fold for the opposite side. I can just flip the paper over and start from this layer. Now it's on the top. Start from this edge. I fold down, matches to the below edge. So let's hold the paper here. You can see it. And I adjust this upper layer and fold down. Now I crease the paper down. This looks good. On the following step, we unfold the paper. Make sure that you hold this layer together, and also for these two layers together. Now I can flatten the paper down. This layer I will fold to the center crease. Press this down very hard. And now I can torque this part of the layer toward the body part of the blend like this, so I can hold the body of the blend all together. Once I finish this side, I'm going to repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Start from this layer, first to the center crease, press down the paper, and now torque it into this small pocket. I can press the paper down. Once I finish this side, I press the other side as well. So make sure that the crease are nice and firm. Now the paper looks good. It already looks good. On the following step, it is very easy. I will start from this upper part of the paper. You can see here, I just fold this part of the paper down a little bit. So estimate about 1.5 inches to 2 inches, not further. So maybe right here, it's about 1.5 inches, or it's about 3.5 centimeters along this crease. I can press the paper down like this. Press this down. Even more, this is by 2 inches. That should work. So I just estimate about 2 inches. And then I'll just fold straight to this corner. When I fold to the corner, I will make sure that I leave a small gap here, so the blend will look nice. I will adjust this part of the paper, and then I'll just push it down as well. You can see that I adjust it very easy. I can adjust this. I can press this part of the paper all together. Make sure that you curve the paper when you do this step, otherwise you will just break it. So adjust it, push straight down. Make sure that this size even too. Hold the paper up. Here we go. So both sides of the paper are even. I can press the paper down. Very easy. Just press this down. Now, same thing for this part of the paper. I will adjust it and just crease this down. Make this look nice. Fix both sides of the paper. So once I fix both sides of the paper, I can fold this part of the paper up As you can see right here, I will fold it up, straight up like this. Look at this. I'll open the paper a bit, hold this part of the paper, pull it up even more until here. You know, it's just stopped right here. I just adjust it a little bit more. Oh, actually for this side, I need to fold it down a little bit more. So for this size, on this side, I need to fold it down a little bit more so that both sides are even right here. So I need to adjust it. Okay, let's adjust it a little bit. So pull this part of the paper down a bit. Let's need to fix it now. It's look much better. And then I can adjust this part of the paper to make sure that they're even. Now this looks much better. You can fold this part of the paper backward again. Pull it as much as I can until I hit the top here. Make sure that you hold this part of the paper all together and pull this one up. If it's not even, then we can adjust it. Okay, now I can adjust this bottom part of the paper so that they are even. Okay, if it's just not, you just need to push it a little bit further. Adjust it here too. You can just pull it up a bit. Okay, fix this here and there, and I can put the paper down, press this. You see this part of the paper, this is very tricky, and that is the stabilizers that we're going to make. So make sure that the stabilizers will look nice and have the blend fly. I will start from this part of the paper. You can see that I fold straight to this crease. In order to do that, I can push the paper backward. Okay, I can fold it like this, open the paper and fold it to our side. Let me show you another way to fold. I'll push it back here. I'll open this. I will fold straight like this. Match this point to the edge. So until I hit the edge here, I will stop. Same thing for the other side. Now I have a crease. I can use this crease as a reference. I just fold down. Okay, fold it even more. As you can see, this part of the paper is very tricky. So I push this as much as I can. I press down the paper as much as I can. And I can press this down. Now I can open this part of the paper, this stabilizers. Open it and push it inward. Do a reverse fold. So reverse it. Now after I reverse it, I can press this paper like this. Now I finished the stabilizers of the plane. The next step is very easy. You can see this crease of the plane on this edge of this layer. I just fold this part of the paper up to create a wing. So once this side is done, I can repeat the same fold for the other side. So I can just press it down. Now I finished both sides of the plane. I have the stabilizers. I have very nice wings. This is a very long body plane. It's look good, but to make sure that the plane will fly, we need to create the elevator. To make the elevator, I will fold this part of the plane up, just like this. I just press it straight up. You can fold the paper in half like this. Let's repeat the same fold for the other side. I just press it up, down like this, make it strong. And now I can open the stabilizers, flatten it down a bit, open the wings again, adjust it, open this up. Okay, now I finished the new paper airplane. Let's test this out yourself. If you like it, give the video a thumb up, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channels. Make sure that you adjust the wings before you fly it, otherwise it will not fly straight. So adjust the stabilizer as well. Yes, like this. Make the stabilizers pull out. I will fold the stabilizer out like this. Okay, and here you go, everyone. This is a new paper airplane. I hope that you guys will enjoy making the plane along with me. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friend, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.